now we're ready to explore Bangkok at night. Kung sa Cebu is merong 39 coffee, di ba? Yung parang Don Macchiatos. Dito guys, 20 coffee. Maraming food stall dito. So baka ito yung bibilin ko guys. Tingnan yung food. Tingnan nyo yung TV nila, ang laki. Sana may Netflix dyan. Sorry. Hey besties, we're currently here na sa Bangkok City. Actually, kanina pa kaming mga 5 p.m. nandito and it's currently 7 p.m. Nag-freshen up lang kami sa room tapos kumain ng konti dun sa 5-star chicken. And then, now we're ready to explore Bangkok at night. So, maybe we will go to Platinum Mall. Hoping open pa siya. I don't know guys. Kasi yung alam namin is 8 p.m. daw siyang mag-close. So, we will try to go there. So, yan guys. Tingnan nyo yung train station nila. Kinda busy right now. Hey besties, ayan, naglakad kami going here sa Central World. I think malapit na talaga kami guys sa Platinum Mall. Kasi we saw na amo to yun, saan mong nakita dali. Guys, eto pala Big C oh. Nakikita niyo ba yung Big C? Kasi may nabasa ko or na video yata yun na nakita ko is good for pasalubong kasi mura lang daw. Guys, and look what we saw! Night market! Parang night market siya! Oh my God! Woo! Let's go! Guys, we've been walking like siguro mga more than 2 kilometers din. They also have George over here, oh. Besties, ayan, nandito na kami sa Novotel and I guess, siya, parang malapit na talaga kami sa Platinum Mall. Siguro, if hindi, is dito na lang kami kakain kasi meron ding mga parang street food / night market sa baba. Like this one guys, oh, tingnan nyo. Ayan. So si John is bumili lang ng durian for 39 baht. So guys, yung mangga nila, oh, tingnan nyo. Guys, kung sa Cebu is merong 39 coffee, di ba? Yung parang Don Macchiatos. Dito guys, 20 coffee. Oh, di ba? Naauhan ta, char.
Yeah, berkuat asat niya po.
Magaling na lang dyan may mga on guys. Wag na, sarap pa na ko. Ayan guys, oh. Maraming food stall dito. Ay, yun! Natin mo! We're there! We're almost there na guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, oh. Foods. More fruits here. What's this? Okay. Guys, I think I will try. Since nandito na ako, nakita ko siya finally. So, maybe I will try the coconut. Tingnan nyo kasi it's so ganda. Pabalito na. This one guys, oh. So, baka ito yung bibilin ko guys. Ayan. Okay, 110. Ayan, so 110 daw siya guys. I don't know kung nabudol ba ako. We will see. Pero, kung siya parang refreshing eh. Ayan guys, nandito na ang aking coconut. So refreshing guys. Maghahanap na kami ng foods. Guys, tingnan niyo food. What shall we eat?
May pantay rin.
Oh, pantay. Sige, arita baby. Okay guys, first order of business, pad thai with authentic Thai coconut. Let's eat. Hey besties, so nandito kami sa parang kilid lang. Like literally, yung katapat namin is yan. So, we are waiting for our seafood pad thai. Ninuto pa nila. Hey besties, ayan, our food is here. Our pad thai is here. Tingnan nyo. Yun, so yummy guys. That's it guys. Ang sarap.
Sini dulu.
This one is 200 baht. Lumi, oo. Yung kahapon guys is medyo hindi na siya ganun kainit. Ito, init talaga no?
Fresh from the pan.
Oh, fresh from the pan. So that's the kagandahan if dito kayo sa mga ganito kayo kakain. Kasi very authentic talaga. Actually guys, nag-share lang kami.
That's our goal.
That's our goal. So we choose seafood pad thai. And the shrimp. Oh, kalamit. Ah, perfect. Next is baka mango sticky rice na naman ang i-try namin. Yung parang fresh na fresh talaga. Hey besties, ayan, we're done eating the seafood pad thai. Success guys, as in sobrang sarap no? As in kasi fresh na fresh talaga siya. And right now, we are looking for some mango sticky rice again for the second time. Ayan. How much kaya? Guys, more food pa talaga dito. Oh. Hey besties, update. We are here. You remember nung kanina sinabihan ko kayo na if sa Cebu merong Don Macchiatos, dito is my 20 coffees. So ayan, we are here. Accidentally, wala lang. Parang basta napapabudol. So we are currently chilling here kasi wala, may aircon. And by the way, besties, bumili pala ako ng mango sticky rice. So 80 baht. So baka sa room na lang namin po kakainin. And then, sa room talaga namin siya kakainin. So by the way, I ordered iced Thai tea with milk, and then kung dyan is cappuccino. Ewan ko, gabi na pero nagka-cappuccino. And guys, may chiga ko sa inyo. TMI lang. Sorry. Pasintabi sa mga kumakain. Pero I won't mention the name. Ever since na pumunta ako dito sa Thailand, is hindi pa ako nakapag... Parang bloated na yung ano ko. Tummy. So, guys, yung pad thai talaga grabe. Ang sarap kanina. Like, if ever nandito kayo sa Thailand, I highly suggest na please in town. In town. Kumain kayo ng pad thai. Authentic pad thai. Kasi wala na. Hashtag shell likes. Oh, char! And of course, mango sticky rice. Then, also TMI guys. This is my second time here in Thailand and first time ko talagang I guess nasabi ko na yun sa previous vlog na first time ko kumain ng mango sticky rice. Wala lang. There's always a first time. So ayan, we're waiting lang for our order. Tingnan nyo guys yung mga prices nila. Ayan o, yung cappuccino nila is 49 baht lang. Meron din silang Americano. Diba guys? Nandito sa ground floor ng Platinum Mall yata to. So, iced green tea. Meron din silang iced green tea with milk for only 39 baht. And then, iced Thai tea with milk is 39 baht din. Ayan guys, my order is here. Cheers! Let's try the hot chili. Mushik Starbucks. For only 49 pesos. Ay, 49 baht. And ano na siya guys? Parang ano na.
Orange Starbucks.
No, parang ano na talaga siya guys. Pero if you're here in Thailand, you might as well check 20 coffee. Kasi in fairness, ano siya, hindi siya overpriced. Like, but this one is only 39 baht. And ayun o, diba, in case na, naiinay na ako yung sa labas. So, why not check na 20 coffee? Papalamig kayo ng konti. Tapos bili lang kayo ng iced Thai tea with milk. 39 baht lang. Hashtag share likes. Guys, aside sa milk tea and tsaka yung coffee nila is meron din silang parang ganito guys. So, yan. Green tea. Tapos yan. Ay, tingnan nyo guys, oh, for only 180 baht. Ayan. I don't know if ilang pieces na to. Baka 1 piece is 180 baht. So, you can also check this one. And, ay, meron din, oh, ito, 55 baht lang. Yan. Mas maliit siya, so 55 baht lang. So, di ba? Check nyo to dito guys, 20 coffee. Parang marami kayong mabibili dito. Tapos, meron din silang dried fruit. Parang
Dried mango.
Dried mango for only 100 baht. Uy, bongga guys, bongga. Ayan, 100 baht. Dried mango. Then, meron din silang parang durian dito. This one naman is 250. Ayan guys, oh. Ito yung sinabi ko nyo guys, 55 baht lang. Mga green tea, bibi. 55 baht lang. Guys, check nyo to ha. 20 coffee, parang maganda siya. Then, another one, oh. Hey besties, we are back here again sa Central World. Tapos na kami sa 20 coffee and yeah, we're back kung saan kami naglalakad kanina. Ayan guys, so very alive dito guys. As in, tingnan nyo yung TV nila, ang laki. Sana may Netflix dyan. Char. Ayan guys, oh, wow. Are we in New York? Char! Welcome to New York! Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Diba? Bongga bells. So, right after, ano guys, chill muna kami guys. Kaya murag, galabad mo lang tiyan guys. Uy, murag mo na dyan yung time para makalibang ko. Gisunti! Okay, so muni-muni muna kami dito guys. Embrace the Bangkok life. City life. Char! In fairness guys, ang ganda dito. Tapos yung food nila, ang sarap no? Yung ano pala namin guys, mango sticky rice is dinala lang namin. So sa room kami kakain yan. Maybe today or tomorrow kasi we're so busog na, as in yung tummy namin guys, tingnan nyo yung tummy ko, wala na, busog na kayo ko. So yeah, I guess I will end my video here guys, and baka may dress ako makita dito, so maybe bibili ako kasi yan yung susuotin natin tomorrow because we will be going dun sa Wat Arun at saka sa Reclining Buddha. Yan, so yan yung ano natin, itinerary for tomorrow. So very touristy talaga siya. So yan, although I've been there na, so itutour ko si John. Char! Itutour! So maghahanap kami guys ng mga possible na susuotin namin tomorrow. I guess meron dyan guys, oh, parang may ano dyan. Pwede nating masuot, makita tayo dyan. So I guess I will end my video here guys. Thank you so much! Thank you so much guys for joining me again for this vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!